What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. What is the area of a blue square? And here is one of the blue squares. And notice we got 3 here, we got 16 here, and we got a lot of these markings, which means that these side lengths are all equal. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So here's the dealio, right? If these sides are all the same, I can label this as x, as x, as x. And I'll label this side as x as well. Now, this is one long triangle, and both of these have right angles. What that means is that we're looking at 2 similar triangles, because I can guarantee that since these lines are parallel, these angles as corresponding angles are going to be congruent. Now, you don't even need to prove all of that. If you just eyeballed it and looked and said, they're probably similar, it's totally fine for a problem like this, but that's why these have to be similar. So if they're similar, we can make some proportions. And by the way, this side here is also x as well. So this triangle is going to be proportionate to this triangle, okay? And so we can set up the following proportion. We can say this side over this side, which is 3 over x, is gonna be equal to this side over this side. Now this side is 1, 2, 3x. We're gonna put that on top, right? We're gonna match up the little legs with each other over 16, the big leg. Now we got an equation, we got a proportion. Let's solve, cross multiply, and solve for x. Here we got 3x squared is equal to 3 times 16, which is 48. Then we're gonna divide by 3, and x squared is equal to 16. That is 48 divided by 3. Last but not least, we're gonna take the square root. And I know we get plus or minus 4, but we're gonna ignore the negative solution, and we got positive 4. Because if it's length, we're not getting a negative value. We're only taking the positive. So that means this is a 4 by 4 square. So what is the area? 4 times 4 is 16. That's the answer. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. See you in the next video. Take it easy.